We just installed this Delta Essa kitchen faucet and I'm really happy with this one. It's in a beautiful matte black finish and I love how it looks. It's really durable finish. Delta faucets, we've had really good track record with these holding up extremely well. It has this nice modern sleek design, but it's also kind of good in a transitional situation. This is the control valve, and you could actually technically install this on either side if you wanted to. I know my mom is left-handed and she likes to put the controls on the left side. So you have the hot and cold, so you would just twist this different direction to get that. Really like it. And then of course it has this pull-out hose. Let's take a look at that. Pull-out hose has a magnet in it, so it'll pull out and you can be, pointing this wherever you need to. And it has the spray feature, so that's great. And then when you can see when I put it back in, if I let go, the magnet just pulls it back into place, which I do really like. And if I turn it off, it actually stays in the spray feature, so this button stays in place. And I like that because sometimes you have faucets that will reset themselves. It's kind of cool that this one is actually different and it'll stay wherever you leave it. So that's kind of a nice feature about this one, and just looks great. I'm really happy with it. Thought it was a really good value and it really makes the kitchen look great.